Hello, my friend. I hope you are well. And in today's session, we are going to do something quite cool actually, because we are going to build a learning application, something that will help anyone to learn by converting videos into web pages. And I saw a nice project on GitHub. I'm just looking right now where it is. I have it on my clipboard. If I do a copy here, it should synchronize. Okie dokie. It should work now. So let's do it. I will first do mkdir learning system from videos to text, let's say. All right, and that's my new folder. Now we do a cd, command cd to just go into that directory. Amazing. And from there, we can open VS Code. And I will use Copilot for this. And I will say to Copilot, I will use Optus 4.6. Build me we don't even need to me actually, build a learning system. Oh, how come we have files here? Oh, that's an old project for me. Yes, it is. Yeah, that's an old project I have built a long time ago. Learning system, git remote v. Yes. So this is not what we want. Just check if it's synced. Yes, it is. All right. My bad. I didn't open the right one. I go cd learning. Yeah, I was too fast. Learning system from. Okay, that's a new folder from videos to text. And actually, the other project I was opening before, you can find it on Efficient Tools on GitHub. It's one of my organizations, it's github.com/efficient tools. If I want to show you the URL, learning system, cd learning system, yes, but your git remote v, that's the URL. Efficient Tools with a S. /, /atomic learning system. The name is a little bit different, atomic learning system. And now I will actually close this one, and we are going here and see here to build a learning system that converts any YouTube videos into concise flashcards text that make oops, just made a typo, but that's okay. AI knows that. I mean, AI doesn't care if you make a typo or not. That make boring videos into pleasant flashcards, easy to learn anything. Something a bit similar to, and that's the project I was speaking about. Oh, my bad, it's not here. Yes, this one. So that's the one we need. This one, something a bit similar to this one. Oops. A bit similar to this one. But in our case, the text content needs to be optimized for learning and pleasant highlights, colors, nice fonts, etc. Specifically, I made typo, that's okay. Specifically made for learning quickly from any desired YouTube videos. Boom. And now we submit this. And this is our prompt. And now let's see what it's going to build from there. But it's very exciting. We are going, I will already do git init here. We are going to have a nice, amazing project. Easy to learn and easy to build. Like, videos, there are so many contents online. It's crazy. And it's nice to capture nice videos and to convert them into really good, pleasant flashcards. Amazing, like it's something amazing to do. So let's see what we are going to get here. We have already the requirement txt. This is similar to composer.json for PHP with the compose package manager, and the package.json for JavaScript projects with npm, pnpm, yarn, and so on. In Python, we have pip, and with pip, we do use this one, requirements.txt, for installing our requirements, and we have ignore. That's good here so far. DStore, I like that. So it's just building the project for us. That's really nice. So far, so good. Yep. If I do a git status, we have already good files here. It's really good. If I do create, I just have to wait. I will maybe open a new tab. I will show you something I absolutely want to show you. If we go to my GitHub, ps-7, my bad, and from there, I'm looking for that, oh no, that's fine. We are going to, that's all of my repositories, by the way. So you can, of course, follow me and have a look to my repositories, but we are going to have a new project. And the new project, if I create a new tab like this, the new project we are going to do is probably the name. We don't have to make things complicated. Learning system. I will actually learning from videos to flashcards. And that's a weird thing, right? Flashcards, online flashcards, maybe one word. Yeah, like this. Flashcards in seconds. Yeah, that sounds really good. We are going to ask Copilot as well to take one of my README, for instance, Toucan or maybe PS7 console, one of these README, and I'm going to ask to have something similar, but for the project. From this README, make the README from this one below attached, but make it specifically for this learning videos to flashcards. Oops, typo. Project. And that will be our next prompt. For now, I will keep this name, and I will set as private. I will create the repository. Beautiful. Here I will add the remote, and I will do the same after for my GitLab. So for GitLab, it's a little bit different. I will do git remote add GitLab. This is how I do it. GitLab, pop. So that's my GitLab, and then I will use the same. This one .git. Amazing. And now if I do git remote v, I can see origin is GitHub and GitLab is for GitLab. It's creating the project. We have even a CSS style file. That's good. I was a bit laughing because yeah, this is kind of simple, but we want something simple actually. Simpler things are always the better ones. We just need to wait a little bit, but we are getting there for this beautiful, amazing project. I'm very excited. I'm very happy to build this project with you. It's very good. So yeah, we are designing a really nice project so far. Amazing. Good. Here I do allow that. We always have to double check just, for safety reasons. And or we have just some mismatch with the Python versions, but that's fine. Of course, it will fix by itself because we are on the agents mode. Here, agents we are, so that's all good. We have by default we have plan, edit, ask, and agents. We are on the agents one. Okie. I continue this. Amazing. Requirements. Now we can just wait. Can wait, and see what's happening here. We can do continue there. Perfect. Good. The API. Okay. Perfect. We should just continue waiting a bit. Text formatter. We do continue again. And yeah, let's see after. Let me start the server. So we have a server here. That's good. So it's starting the server on port 5000. And this is a development server. Do not use in production. Okay, cool. That's app.py. Debugger. I still wonder a little bit why we have a server here. Text formatter is probably to process all of the text, and or maybe to make the contents available. Or the flashcards, perhaps. Yeah, that could be possible. It's written somewhere here. It has been really fast so far, so this is why we got a lot of information. We are a little bit flooded with the information. And this happens often with AI. You're all of that information on you because you do have a lot of it shows a lot of things. It does. So now we can see with a simple web. So when you do Command P, you have actually simple browser, and this is a simple browser. So if I do paste a URL, and I will do of course paste a URL, I will for instance do youtube.com just Kumar interview. Let's see that one, and that interview. Okay, let's do that one. I will copy paste that nice interview I did. Welcome to, and I will paste that one, generate cards, and let's see how it works. Easy peasy. Oh, we need to configure the API key first. You see, we have actually a working website. Very nice. We just need to set the YouTube API key, and once that's done, it's done. That's amazing. So we can also change the amount of flashcards we want. So this looks really good. I will submit now my prompt about the README, and I will make one commit here. Initial. I'm so happy today is my off day, so I get a chance to build that. Today I just took a day off because I had to go to Sydney and I had an appointment, and then I thought it was an opportunity to do a hermit day where I'm in a hotel and I'm focusing on building projects. And so I'm being a hermit in a place, like in my case I'm on Darling Square. It's really beautiful, and this is Darling Square behind me. And I'm doing the hermit weekend, and it's amazing. I mean, hermit weekend today is a bit shorter than a weekend. It's just a night and a day, but it's already good. And that way I can build a few things. So I take the advantage of having an appointment to take a day off, and what I can do for a day off, well, building projects. And because we are, as a software engineers, nowadays we are all product engineers. We are product builder. We build specific, good, excellent products for the end users to solve a painful problem, like here to learning from videos. There are so many contents out there. How I can build the best product, the most efficient one, evolve from there by the given problem. Here we didn't really iterate yet. It's just a beginning, so we haven't done really much work as a product engineer, but it's just a beginning. We are getting there. Now we have the README. That's amazing. We can see that's my README. I will just generate a commit message here. Amazing. And so save, it's an alias I do have to do git push origin and git push GitLab. And now we can refresh this one. Oops, not that one. This one. And we can see we have two commits, which is supposed to be video flashcards. That's really good. Here we do dev. And here learning flashcards, YouTube videos. Amazing. So we have our project. I wonder why we have an image here, because that image is not working. Probably because the path, oh yeah, logo. We don't have a logo here. Generate a perfect logo for the project. Perfect. And so we are very close. We just need to set up the API key and bingo, and then we can, after that, we can iterate to improve the product. I need to log into my Google account first. I will do that privately. I will make another video later on. And after, we can iterate and we can start working as a product engineer, building the best solutions ever for given problems, like how I can learn with so many YouTube videos, how I can learn something efficient. Well, flashcards are probably the best way. And after, you can have the flashcards on your phone and so on. You can easily import them. You can find a good format, a good export format, like JSON, for instance. And yeah, I wish you a beautiful day. Keep going, keep growing, because each day is limitless, but only limitless if you use your time wisely. Otherwise, it's so limited. The opportunities are limitless if you know how to use your time. And JSON as an export format for flashcards is really good because you can have a property like color font, background color. You can have how many flashcards. You can have a lot of different parameters in the JSON file. You can have a YAML file as well if you wish to, or different file formats, even INI file if you wish, but I believe a JSON file will be best here in our case. So yeah, have a happy, beautiful day and keep going. Or we have now, we just remove the generator logo. We don't need that one anymore. We have our nice and sweet image. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. So add logo. I will generate a commit one more time. Oh, I did it actually, my bad. I said add logo. Yes. So now I can do a git push and we can directly have a look git push, or I can do a git save. Save alias, so it also does it on our GitLab repo automatically, thanks to the alias. That's not the correct one. This one, we should have the logo visible now. We do, which is amazing. So here we are. I can create a new version as well. I can do like v1.0.0, create a new tag. Amazing. And here we do release April 7th, 2026. Amazing. And I publish the release, the new version. So yeah, happy day. You see, we have already built something amazing as a product engineer. Now it's just a beginning as a product engineer to shine. Once we have the YouTube API key, we can iterate and really deliver the best product for the end user, thinking about the outcome and not about the code. And I hope this helps, and I will see you in another one, and I wish you all of the best.